All right, day 4 of conditioning the straw bales. It's just straight water today. Once again, using rainwater, so at some point I'm going to either have to use the tap water, which I don't really want to do, or add CalMag, which will be pricey. So I'll see how that works out. But today, 2 5-gallon pails, half a pail per straw bale. Nice. All right, so here we go. Okay, that's it. I won't show you me covering up the straw bales because I kind of want to do a little special edition here, tack this onto this. As I was walking out, I thought, man, there's a lot of stuff in this yard that could be used like as a salad for this time of year. So I'm going to go through that real quick. So here we go. So what could you use as a salad? Let's say your house is just in the middle of a field like mine is. Well, there is a dandelion and its greens. You know, dandelion greens are a great diuretic. Their composition of sodium and potassium works well. So in a lot of diuretics, I believe it leaches potassium from the body, but this has so much potassium in it that it kind of replenishes that. Now, also for a salad, you can use the violet flowers and the violet leaves. You could even use the clover for a salad. So already that's what? Three greens. If we move over to here, this is the flower of a sheep sorrel. And what do you know, if you want something a little acidic tasting, this lance-shaped leaf, great in salads. It's fun to give to kids. Disclaimer, don't just go out picking plants that you don't know, obviously. But this has a sour taste, which could be fun and edible. Long-leaved plantain leaf. Not necessarily the most delicious in a salad because of these ribs, but definitely edible. And there was one more, and yeah, I mean, they could make up early eats in the spring. Let me see if I can. Okay, it's a bit more sparse this year to find these than I thought, so let me check it out here. And curly dock. This is an edible when the leaves are young. Probably, this size or this size. But yeah, curly dock, very edible. The root is yellow. I believe it was used for iron deficiencies, people that may be anemic. But, so yeah, I mean, that was, 5 or 6 edible plants in spring. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this extra bit onto this. But day 4 of the straw bale conditioning, a few edible plants just, possibly in your yard if you don't use pesticides, herbicides, that type of stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'd love to be able to just keep doing these. So thanks for those who watch. Thanks for your support. All right, bye.